Hey there, welcome to our video on remote control airplanes. Today we're going to dive into the exciting world of RC flying. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced pilot, there's always something new to learn. So let's get started and explore the fascinating hobby of remote control airplanes. Now, one of the first steps in your RC journey is choosing the right airplane. This can be a bit overwhelming with so many options out there, but don't worry, we're here to help. Beginners should start with a trainer plane, while more advanced flyers might go for something more aerobatic. Smaller planes are generally easier to handle, and electric models are perfect for beginners. You don't need to break the bank to get started, but investing in a good quality plane will pay off in the long run. Alright, let's talk about the essential components of a remote control airplane. First up, we have the transmitter, which is basically your control unit. It's what you'll use to send commands to the plane. Next, we have the receiver, which is located inside the airplane and receives the signals from the transmitter. Another key component is the battery, which powers the motor and electronics, and of course the motor itself, which propels the airplane. Finally, don't forget about the servos, which control the movement of the control surfaces like the ailerons, elevator, and rudder. With these essential components, you'll be ready to take to the skies. Alright, let's dive into some basic flying techniques. First, start with simple maneuvers like straight and level flight. This helps you get a feel for the controls. Next, try gentle turns. Remember, smooth inputs are key. As you gain confidence, you can move on to more advanced maneuvers like loops and rolls. But always, and I mean always, practice in an open area free of obstructions. Safety is paramount when flying remote control airplanes. Always perform a pre-flight check to ensure everything is in working order. Make sure your batteries are fully charged and your control surfaces move freely. Never fly near people, animals or buildings, and it's a good idea to have a spotter with you to keep an eye on your surroundings. Finally, always follow the local regulations and guidelines for flying. To wrap things up, remember that flying remote control airplanes is all about practice and patience. Start with the basics, prioritize safety, and gradually build up your skills. Join a local club if you can, as it's a great way to learn from experienced pilots and share your passion. Thanks for watching and happy flying.